Hello and welcome, I am Suteja. The Northern Hemisphere is coming out of the darkness of the winter season. Everything that was hidden during winter is now being brought up to the surface. Plants are growing, flowers are budding, and the energy is one of creativity, expression, and expansion. On Saturday, March 19 at 5 p.m. Pacific Time, we will celebrate an exceptional culmination of light, combining both the energies of the full moon and the spring equinox with a special type of spring cleaning, a clearing of your chakras. Each of your energy centers contain memories, beliefs, and emotions that constitute who you are, but also can prevent you from changing and evolving. This profound self-healing practice gives you a chance to create a new intention and make a conscious decision at each energy center to express who you are in the best possible way. I hope you can join me and benefit from this tremendous surge of energy to manifest what you want, who you want to be, and your highest destiny. Want to learn more? Moon celebrations are free for members of Inner Treasure Hunt, and you can attend the March 19 celebration for free to see what it's like. And if you're interested in learning how the moon affects human emotions and behaviors, make sure to check out the free 28-day Moon Meditation Essential Program when you will learn what science and the ancients have to say about the moon and benefit from short daily meditations. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, March 19. Thank you for listening.